Today is Saturday and my husband's here to help, so we are gonna get some stuff done. I bet you've been wondering what's in these boxes. Weather seal, more JB weld for steel, a city water flange, a freshwater flange, narrow insert trim for the place where the wide insert trim would work. And we have plastic weld. And in this box, a light over the license plate. And finally, LED marker lights. I know I just went to all the work to reseal those, but I decided to order new ones. I have a whole pack in here. And I don't have a clue what I'm doing. No idea what I'm doing, but it's gonna be great. Freshwater flange to replace that. City water connection, LED light replacement, puppy replacement, just kidding. LED light replacements, foam trim to replace this old trim in here, and then all the other lashes, like this. Okay, first up is a potable water flange thingy, jiggy thingy. We have to unfasten it from these two lines, clean this up, and put the new one on. So this hose right here, I think this is the breathing hose maybe, whatever you would call it. It is clogged up with dirt and stuff. So I'm going to, unhook it from the inside. I can see if I can. And just clean out the hoses real well before I put everything back together. So let's go inside and see what we can figure out. Okay, Bubba. Let's go back outside. Over here. No, not that outside. Over here. I have gotten this cleaned up. This is some kind of residue from filling in holes from before. I will probably go in and get these clean, maybe let them soak for a while. Is clean as a whistle. Okay guys, I have these cleaned. I'm ready to put them in here. Step is the city water flange. Put it up there so that when we have hookups we can have direct water supply. The other one was really, really bad. Did you help? Are you fixing it? The next thing I'm going to do is I got this vinyl trim to put in here and various of the other ones to cover up the screw holes and help with rain. This is going to take a little while. It's hard to get that in, but this is going to take a while, so I'm going to turn the camera off. I hate tedious work with a passion. And this is just not working, and I'm getting grumpy, and I'm too much of a perfectionist sometimes. And when things don't work out, it makes me Anyway, so this trim piece right here, it will not go around the edges. You can see it just will not tuck in there. I don't know how they normally do this. So there's one other one I need to do. I did this one. It's just kind of a job. I went and cut snippets in the corners here and over here. And if you look close, you can see it's still not laying nicely. Nasty. I mean, it's going to have to work. I don't know how else to do this. Maybe if you'd heat it up, it would work better. Oh man, this is annoying. So I'm done with this one now. Once again, sort of like the other one, not the greatest. I might get a heat gun later, just go around and see if that would help mold it better to the sides. Okay, now I want to see if I can figure out how to install lights. I really have no idea what I'm doing, but we're gonna see what's going on. I have some wire crimps here. I really have no idea how to use them. I have no idea what I'm doing. But let's try this. White and black wire and red and black wire. I'm assuming black goes to black and red goes to white. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, now what? You just clamp this shut. This is tricky work. All right. Took me probably 10 times longer than it would have Nolan, but let's go start up this rig. See if they come on, turn on the lights. Oh man, it's not on. Okay. What was the problem?
Red goes to black instead of black to black.
How stupid is that?
Somebody bleeped it up.
It's another day and we're going to tackle these annoying lights again. I was getting so frustrated. I haven't been that frustrated in quite a while. First off, they just wouldn't work until my husband figured out that black wires on this RV are positive and white is negative, which is really weird. So I had to hook the black up to the white, the black of the lights up to the white of the RV, and the red to the black, which was completely stupid, which he figured that out. So then they worked, but then I could not get the crimps to crimp. I would try to get the wires to crimp. I would squeeze as hard as I could, again and again and again, and they would just fall apart, and I was so frustrated. Anyway, I was talking to my brother, and he's like, well, you need another crimp. He knows all about it. So we went to the store, we bought a new crimp, and now it works like a charm. So it took quite a few hours to figure that all out. Only 2 lights mounted later, but hopefully today it'll go faster with my new crimp. All right, so the first step is take the old lights off.
Every town has its ups and downs.
This is the part I hate the worst.
Sometimes the ups outnumber the downs. Well, not in Nottingham. Well, I'm inclined to believe if we weren't so down, we'd up and leave, we'd up and fly. We had wings to fly.
Let's see if it works.
You see these tears are crying.
It works! Yay!
Is there some happiness for me? Not in Nottingham.
This little guy is just a royal grump today. He needs his nap, so I'm not sure if I'll get to work at it anymore today or not. Hey, thanks so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying following along as we do these renovations. If you're at all interested in any of the products that we're using, there's links below. That sounds spammy? Yeah, I kind of thought so. Oh well. Links below if you want to check it out. And if you want to keep following along, be sure to hit subscribe and the little bell button so you don't miss any updates. And we'll see you next week. Thank you so much. What you doing, Bubba? What's that?